it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be going through and showing you my travel art supplies kit. I'm going to be going on a trip in a couple of days, and it's only about a 5-day trip, but 5 days for me is a long time to go without drawing, especially since Inktober I've drawn every single day of every month, which I'm really proud of, and that was the goal of Inktober, to get you to draw every single day, every single month. So we're just gonna go through what I'll be bringing with me, what I'll be doing, and yeah, so let's just jump right into it. This is the kind of meat and potatoes. I don't know if that makes sense, but this is like my main thing. This is the thing. Like, if I bring this, I don't have to bring anything else because someone always has a pencil. The hotel always has a pen in the room. There's always something I can use to draw in this book. So first, this paper. This is just scrap paper for alcohol-based markers. Actually, I might not even have to bring these. I don't think I'm bringing any alcohol-based markers. Now I'll bring it just in case. And this is my sketchbook number 3. As you can see, I've filled it just a little bit. I finished sketchbook 2 and 1, and if you want to check out those sketchbook tour videos, I will link the playlist in the description down below. So yeah, just a sketchbook hardcover. Hardcover's my favorite because then you don't have to worry about the pages getting bent. Next, I'm just gonna bring a compact, stiff-legged tripod just in case the urge to make a video or the opportunity to make a video strikes and I need to film. I have a mount for it for my camera, but currently I'm using it, obviously, because I'm filming now. So I'll take both of those things with me in case I want to film. And now we have my favorite pencil case. I have 2 that I'm taking, and this is just the graphite pencils and a few Prismacolor color erase pencils. So I have all my graphite pencils here, a sharpener, a Prismacolor Magic Rub hard eraser, a Faber-Castell kneaded eraser, my General and Kimberly art pencils, and just a couple of Prismacolor color erase pencils in my favorite colors. I like using Tuscan Red, light blue, as well as carmine red and grass green. I never use it because I always forget it's there, but it has a like a handle almost so I can hold it, but I just keep that tucked away inside, mostly because I always forget that it exists. And finally, we have this pencil case. It's made out of recycled newspapers, I think. I like it a lot, but let's figure out what we have in here. First, we have just kind of a variety of blending stumps, you know, for graphite. 4 zebra fountain pens. I don't actually use these fountain pens all that much for drawing because they bleed really badly and just don't look great, but I keep them in there because it's, you know, it's a place to keep them. Next, we have my white Jelly Roll gel pens. I've done a blog post review on them before, and they're not my favorite gel pens. In fact, I'm in the market for new gel pens, so if you have any recommendations, leave them in the comment section down below. But, I mean, they do their job. They're gel pens. This is a Sakura watercolor brush. I'm not bringing any watercolors, so I'm gonna probably leave this here, but it's just nice to keep in there. We have 2 Faber-Castell eraser pencils. They're nice for picking up small details and highlights, so I like to have them around. You know, the generic pencil. And last but not least, we have my trusty, faithful Pentalic pen set. I used it through Inktober. It's, you know, it's the first illustration set I've ever used. I want to try microns, but I love these pens. Don't tell them, but this specific set is getting replaced, so, shh. Those are all the pens inside this pencil case. So this was my art travel kit kind of show and tell video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you like to bring on travel trips. And that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!